Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today it is Tuesday and it's a bit late right now and everyone is asleep, so I have to speak quiet. But as you can see, I took a loss today, only $34, and I'll walk you guys through the trade that I took and why I took it and what my bias was for the day. So coming into the day, as you can see, we had accumulated a lot right here. And we're also at all-time highs, so what I was looking for was for price to trade back down into these bullish rally gaps to then catch along. And ES was also a lot stronger at this point in time. But yeah, coming into here, we do trade lower and we come into this 4-hour bullish. My prime zone for long entry was here. I wanted to see us tap into this 1-hour unfilled Farrell gap, which had liquidity above it and also was the rebalance of this full range. So this is what I was looking for the prime long entry, but I was still looking for taking longs here since it's in a 4-hour and we don't have to come down here. But yeah, price is just super choppy right here. I almost entered here, but it was just too choppy for me, and I know in these conditions you shouldn't try to catch something really, because it just doesn't work out too well. And I was waiting for this 2-minute disrespect, and when we finally got it, we have just been shopping too much, so it isn't good conditions to take it in. But yeah, I actually took this short though, because once we shop here, I'm really thinking we're not down to the downside and we need to go lower. And this is then my target, because I think we need to go lower, and this is a very nice zone to target. It's very clear. It's very high probability area to target. So why I took it down was because we came into this 15-minute untouched bearish value gap. We made an internal SMT. We also had a higher time from SMT right here with ES. And then we go down because we go up with momentum and then straight shoot back down. We make the 1-minute inversion here and get assist as well. But I didn't enter right here because I was waiting for this previously respected 2-minute bullish rally gap to be disrespected, which just led to me getting a really bad entry. I had my stop loss at this 1-minute bearish rally gap right above it, and ended up getting just wicked out, and then we ran down, and here is where I would have had my break even, which I would have gotten. This should have been a break-even trade, because I shouldn't have tried to wait for too much confirmation, especially when we're this choppy. You want to get a quick entry early in the move, because if we're still in the shop like we were here, you get a good entry so you can go break even, get a chance to go break even until it is your SL, if that makes sense. So I should have had my entry after this cyst close. That is where I should have had it, right there, and I could have had my SL then, because I didn't want to have my SL this high up with that bad entry, because I was risking too much, because this wasn't, maybe I shouldn't have taken this trade. This is a really good setup, but price is too choppy, and I was basically just taking this just because, really. I thought it was a good setup. It was the setup. It was the continuation setup, but I knew price was choppy and we could have really just shopped. But yeah, if I entered right here where like I should have, I could have had my SL up here without it being too big of SL. I would have risked less than I did. Could have even had it right there, but here is a good SL, and then I wouldn't have gotten stopped out. It would have been better RR, and my break even here would have gotten hit. My break even would have gotten hit right here, so would have been a break even trade. But the bias was right. We did go down and hit my target. It was just wrong timing, and it's not easy to time the market when it is like this. I should have not tried to take this short and stepped away from the market, but I felt very certain we were gonna go down. Once we got this fast move up and then straight shot down, I was very certain we were gonna go down, and I was willing to put $34 risk on the table to potentially make $100. So that was my trade for the day, and hoping to get some better price action tomorrow. And once I get my A+ set up, I'm gonna risk more. I need to risk like at least 350, so not just be stuck in the same position on my Express. So need to risk to move forward. Right now I'm down 330 on the account. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.